Welcome, this is the iPhone 15 Pro and I'll show you how to link or unlink the Siri from power key button on this device. So first let's open the settings and then scroll to the Siri and search. Click here to press side button for Siri, just to activate this option, then click to enable Siri and that's it. After that, when you press the power key button just for a second, you could see that the Siri option successfully enabled. If you wanna just turn it off, click here to the switcher by the same way and tap to turn off Siri. Also, you could make it by another way, just on your home screen, hold for a while the side key and click here to turn on Siri. So to turn it off, after that you should one more time go to the settings to the Siri section and tap to the switcher to turn it off. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you like this video, leave thumbs up and subscribe.